Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to save Instagram photos to iPhone camera roll without taking screenshot, guys. Well, without wasting any time, guys, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the App Store and download Quick Save application on your iDevice. I have already installed this application, so just go to the App Store and write Quick Save and just install that application. Okay guys, so just go back to your home screen and look for the Quick Save application. So here it is. So just open the Quick Save application. So you should be logged in into your Instagram profile. Quick Save looks like almost like Instagram for while you're logged in, so it will be much easier to navigate. So just find a photo or video that you want to save and tap on the photo, and Quick Save should show you a save option in the app interface. So okay, we're gonna just tap on this photo, and here you go. So there's a lot of ads like this which will pop up, so just wait for it and just cancel the ad, and you can just tap save, and that's it, guys. You have successfully saved it to your camera roll, guys. It's that simple. Or you can just tap on this one and just okay, again there's the ad, just wait. Okay Joe, so just cancel it and just save it. It's that simple, guys. Okay guys, the second solution to save the Instagram photos without taking a screenshot is you can just go to the Safari, and you can just go to the instagram.com on your Safari and logged in with your Instagram profile. And what you're gonna do is very simple, guys. For example, this is a photo, so just tap on a photo, long press the photo, and you should see this option. So just tap on copy and just go back to your home screen and just tap on notes, and you're gonna just paste the photo here, and here you go. It's that simple, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot.